Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Investment Trading Ideas. I'm pretty much starting this channel so we can look at different stocks and different trades that might be, uh, making numbers, gaining good percentage, and what would be a worthwhile trade. Also, this is not financial advice, guys. Everything you do on your side, that's a decision that you make. I'm just here to discuss what is going on in the market in certain, um, companies. You guys, please share whatever company you think is gonna be on the upward side of the momentum of things. You know, uh, if you think it's a worthwhile trade, and I'll check it out. I'll share it with the channel and we'll if I think it's a really good trade, worthwhile in the coming weeks or months, and days, I can go ahead and update you guys on what it is, and every other day I can come back and talk about what is going on that supposed trade. What are we looking at today? We're looking at Lindblad Expedition Holdings Incorporated. And the symbol for the Nasdaq, it is LIND. As you can see here, on Friday, it went down to almost 3%. But if you can look farther out, whenever this thing gets moving, does really nice percentage, like 70%, like 60%. I mean, it's something we can take advantage of when it's happening. You just got to figure out when the time is to jump on in, and most importantly, when is the right time to get out. Um, I want us to share that. Go ahead and share your comments on that. Like, if it's a good time, if you think it's a good time to go ahead and get in this here, or it's a good time to skedaddle, get on out of here. Because this thing might be up, dipping. But for what I can see, guys, like in the next few weeks, this thing is going to be going on the upward side of things. Um, has good support. And pretty much, let me explain to you what I'm looking at. I'm just looking at different RSI indicators that I went ahead and took around and looked for this video. But this is the most important thing here, guys. Pretty much, let me show you. This thing has been running in a channel for a good while. As you can see, it's down here, man. It's ready for another upward like move. And if my prediction is right, man, we about to get this dough. About to get that dough. Also, guys, nobody knows the future on these things. This is why I want us sharing opinions, you know, sharing the knowledge that we have and wisdom. I mean, with time in this thing comes wisdom. Like, this is something you really got to take serious like a job, man. Like, but once you get it and get the hang of it, you don't even have to be looking over it like a newborn kid or something. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta be careful what you do, because this is real risk that you take when you go ahead and jump on any trade, really. And together we can have a more successful outcome. And seriously, guys, like this this is getting huge. Almost everybody knows about like trading and things like that now. And I'm pretty amazed at the younger generation that They know a bunch of stuff about it, man. I barely found out about this like when I was 30. Like my head was completely somewhere else. But I've been like studying this for a little over 5 years since I started learning and dedicating myself to this. And tell me, write down in the comments, how long have you been trading and stuff? And what I want to also make sure is that we're all, making good decisions on this. And together we can do this, man. Together we can do this. So Lindblad, LIND, the symbol. Please check it out. Write your opinion on what you think is gonna do in the next few weeks. I'll come back in the every other day to like update you on what's going on, so we can go over what we're looking at, and also share whatever you think is gonna be very volatile in the near future. And I go ahead and sponsor it on here for like you guys to see, and everybody can go ahead and make a win, man. Get a win out of this. Mostly what I figured about this stuff is your win to lose ratio. So you want to have a higher win ratio than a losing ratio. So most of your trades gotta be, this one you're good. Like nobody can predict this thing, but together we have more power, man. Look, we're about to become like the ultimate uh what do you call it when you can see the future? Yeah, we're gonna have to look into the future together, man. We're in the present looking into the future. Imagine if anybody knew like the future of things, like, man, you you'd be super rich by now, man, because that means you can't take a loss. But this thing is a win to lose ratio, man. Your win ratio has to be like better than your lose ratio, so you can your investments can see like more gains, on your side. Anyway, guys, subscribe, like, and share. Let's create this community where we help each other and we can succeed together. Once again, this is Investments Trading Ideas. This is not financial advice, guys. This is just us sharing ideas with each other and calculating the future outcome of this. Till next time, peace.